And this one is plantain leaf. Plantain leaf is too very okay to preserve cola.
Okay.
But why I'm teaching you about newspaper, because it's not everywhere you can get this plantain leaf. I'm living in Lagos. I don't even know where I will get this plantain leaf.
Okay.
That is why I always use newspaper. And newspaper is working for me.
Okay.
Understand me?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
even if you want to use the plantain leaf, you still put your nylon and place this plantain leaf many in the nylon.
Okay.
Then you pour your cola on it. You wrap it very well. Nylon first.
Okay.
Wrapper second. You now put your newspapers. After putting the newspaper, now pour the cola on it. After pouring the cola, pour it very well. Pour it very well that air will not be penetrating.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you put it in your nylon and tie it.
Okay.
This cola can be like this for 1 year and nothing will happen to it.
Okay. Fantastic.
It can be like this for 1 year and nothing will happen to it.
Okay, ma'am.
That's how we used to preserve cola.
All right, ma'am.
Because if you wrap it very well with your paper, your wrapper, and the nylon, nothing will happen to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't put it in a fridge.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't put it in a freezer.
All right, ma'am.
Those places somewhere. Like this one is cola. You see?
Yes.
This thing is cola.
Yes.
And it has been like this for months inside this basket.
Okay.
Nothing happened to it.
Okay, it is wrapped exactly how it is in that
Exactly.
nylon. Okay.
You see the cola?
Yes, I can.
You see it?
Very fresh looking.
Very fresh. This one is more than 6 months with me. You see it?
Yes.
This one is more than 6 months, 8 months with me. Because when cola newly come out, it will be cheaper. Then I will buy it
Okay.
and store it with me because I know how to handle it.
Yes.
It will not get spoiled. So this one is more than 8 months out. It's since last year.
Okay.
Since last year I bought this one. Since
Okay.
last year, maybe September, October.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
one is too. Is first week of January.
Okay, ma'am.
When I come back from village,
Alright.
I noticed that my cola has finished. Then I order.
Got this new badge. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. One last question. When the cola has been kept inside the cloth and then the nylon, that's for those that cannot get plantain leaves easily where they are.
Yes.
Is there a particular weather condition or a particular place where they have to keep it so it doesn't damage? Maybe a place that is cold or a place that is hot?
Don't put it in a cold place. Don't put it in a freezer.
Don't put it in a freezer.
Don't put it in a fridge even.
Okay.
Just place. This is my basket now.
A basket.
This
okay.
basket, I do put it inside my room.
Okay. Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
I know when I on my fan, the breeze will be blowing it.
Okay. Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Even if there is no light, I will open the window. It will still be receiving air.
At least just let it be room temperature.
Yes.
Room temperature. All right, ma. All right, ma. Understood. Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you.